Hey lads, TechScanning here. So after seeing the flagship phones from big brands like Samsung and Oppo, the next phone that we are waiting for is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra that many would consider the smartphone with the most advanced camera system. So after tons of leaks and rumors, finally we got our first look at the handset as well as the confirmed launch date and even some camera samples. So, though Xiaomi has confirmed the launch date as the 18th of April worldwide, which is less than a week, however they are keeping the design secret up until now. And now we just got a real life look of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra as well as the 3D renders. So, on the front, the handset will have a 2K resolution curved display with quite slim bezels and it will be a 120Hz refresh rate display panel. While the front sensor, which is said to be a 32 megapixel, will be given in a punch hole style cutout. So a pretty clean looking display panel. However, a lot going on the rear panel of the device. This time, there will be no square island behind the giant circular camera module. However, as they will be using the bigger Sony IMX 989 that requires more thickness, so Xiaomi has raised the top half of the back panel. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is said to measure about 9.57mm in thickness excluding the camera bump. For reference, the recently launched Oppo Find X6 Pro, which is holding the same camera sensor, has almost the same 9.5mm thickness. Like the last year's Xiaomi 12S Ultra, the upcoming 13 Ultra will have a leather finish back panel. As we can see, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra will be holding a quad camera setup, including an additional camera sensor than its predecessor. But what will be more interesting here, that its main camera will offer a variable aperture from f1.9 to f4.0. Now, this is the privileges of the DSLRs, so it is really amazing to have it on a smartphone. However, at the moment, we can't say if it is a true variable aperture or we can just switch between these 2 points. Besides 50 megapixel Sony IMX 989, there will be ultra-wide, telephoto and periscope sensors. And all these three will be 50 megapixel Sony IMX 858 sensors that Sony just launched. Of course, the user will be able to test out the camera system once the handset is launched. However, Xiaomi has just shared some camera samples where we can see some impressive results, especially compared to the competitors with oversharpened images. The photos taken from the Xiaomi 13 Ultra look very natural and close to traditional cameras. Moreover, this image shows really nice background blur, which again we usually saw on the dedicated cameras. Besides these comparison images, the brand also shared some other photo samples taken from the main and the zoom cameras. Though these are amazing, indeed what we can say film-like photos taken by the professionals, but it shows what the Xiaomi 13 Ultra camera system will be capable of. So yes, we are almost here. Mark your calendar for the 18th of April and most likely there will be some more spy shots of the device before the launch date. Of course, I will keep you updated, so subscribe for more and smash the like button to tell the algorithm that this video is pretty good. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.